Hi friends, if you're holding tension in your body or just need a mental boost, this 20-minute full body flow is exactly what you need. We will gradually open up the whole body, soften your spine, loosen the hips, and finding space in areas that feel tight, and end with a short meditation to help you truly unwind. Be sure to stay until the end to experience that deep sense of relaxation. Let's begin by closing the eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale again, gently expanding the chest, and exhale, letting your shoulders melt away from your ears. One more deep breath in and sigh it out. Take a moment to set up intention for today's practice. Whenever you're ready, let's gently blink your eyes open. Now slowly make your way to tabletop, stacking your shoulders over your wrists and hips over your knees. Take a deep breath in to reset your spine. Begin to move with your breath. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest and sit bones, gently arcing your spine into a cow. Exhale, press into your palms, round your back, tuck your tailbone and draw your chin towards your chest for a cat. Continue flowing through 4 to 5 rounds, or as many as you need, allowing the movement to come from your spine and breath. Return to a neutral tabletop. On your inhale, extend your relaxed straight back, flex your toes towards the floor, and reach through the heel to lengthen the leg. Engage your core, draw your navel in, and feel the strength and the length through your entire body. Exhale, slowly sweep your right foot out to the right, placing the toes on the mat in line with your left knee. Exhale, shift your hips back towards your left heel, allowing the front of the right thigh and hip to open. Let's add some movement here. On your inhale, shift forward, stacking your hips over your left knee as your spine lengthens. Exhale, sink your hips back towards your left heel, allowing the stretch through your right thigh and hip to involve. Inhaling forward with control, exhaling back with ease. On your final round, as you settle into the stretch, bring your left knee slightly wider and sink your hips deeper. Gently rotate your right knee and toes toward the sky, creating space and sensation in the outer hip. You can stay upright or choose lower down onto your elbows or even fully release your torso and forehead to the mat. Let yourself rest in the stillness. No forcing, just the softening. Notice what the body needs and let yourself be supported here. Walk your hands back gently, lift your chest and return to tabletop. Let's move into the other side. Inhale, extend your left leg long behind you, flexing your toes, reaching through the heel and engaging your core to create length. Exhale, sweep your left foot to the left, grounding your toes in line with your right knee. Exhale, ease your hips back towards your right heel. Next, inhale, shift your weight forward, stack your hips over your right knee as your spine stays long. Flowing through 3 more times, letting each round feel a little more fluid and intuitive. On your final round, as you settle in, you can widen your right knee slightly, sink your hips deeper, and gently rotate your left knee and toes toward the sky. Rest here, maybe coming onto your elbows or folding all the way down. Let the shape support you, no effort, just breath and presence. Back to tabletop. Inhale here, lengthening the spine. Exhale, lift your hips to the sky into down dog. Pedal your knees to reset. moving at your own pace. Inhale, extend your right leg high for three-leg dog. Exhale, bring your right foot forward between your hands into a low lunge. Inhale, rise up into crescent lunge, reaching through the arms and settle into this pose, finding strength in your legs. Take one more inhale here, feel the length and the lift. Exhale, shift back into half split. Straighten your right leg, hips draw back and align your spine, engage your core to support your stretch. Inhale, right arms up, twisting to the right, stacking your right shoulder over your left, creating a twist through the torso. Exhale, release the twist. Inhale, reach your left palm up, stacking your left shoulder over your right, creating space through the torso. Exhale, release. Inhale, shift forward into crescent lunge. Exhale, shift back into half split with airplane arms. 3 more times. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, half split with airplane arms. Move at your own speed and breath, letting each repetition feel like a progression, deepening the sensation with each round. On your final round, as you reach your half split with airplane arms, find your new limits. When you shift into crescent lunge, tuck your back toes and inhale, rise up to star pose, arms wide, feet rotated. Take one more deep inhale in star, then exhale, sink your hips into horse. Inhale, return to star. Exhale, back into the horse. Inhale, return to star. Exhale, slowly open into reverse warrior. Right knee stacked over your right ankle and reach your right arms up into the sky, feeling strong and steady in the pose. Take one more inhale. Exhale, shift into side lunge towards your left heel, keeping your right leg straight and your toes pointing upward. As you sink your hips down and back, open your arms wide, reaching out through your fingertips, feeling the stretch through your chest and inner thighs. Gently release your hips to the floor, bring your left foot into your hips or placing it inside of your right thigh. Inhale, sit tall, lengthen your spine and reaching your left arm up into the sky. Exhale, gently side bend towards your right leg, bring your left arm over your head, feeling the stretch along the left side of your body. Keep your chest open and your spine long, avoiding any rounding in the back. Focus on the length through the side body as you stretch. Take a deep breath here, allowing the body to relax deeper into the stretch with each exhale. Inhale, rise up to center. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left and guide yourself into pigeon pose with your left leg forward. Take a moment to check your alignment. Left shin angled comfortably in front, right leg extended long behind you. Keep your hips square and supported. If available, move into a mermaid pose variation. Bend your right knee, reach your right arm back, and hook your right elbow around your right foot. If accessible, clasp your hands together. Stay here for a few deep breaths. Feel the deep stretch through your hips and thighs, the openness across your chest, and the strength in your glutes and core holding you with grace and ease. Release your foot and arms, letting go of the mermaid variation with ease. Slowly begin to fall forward over your left leg, coming into sleeping pigeon. Rest your forearms, your hands, or even your forehead on the mat, wherever feels most grounding. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling up your belly and ribs. Exhale slowly, softening your hips and surrendering your upper body into this pose. Stay here for a few rounds of breaths. Whenever you're ready, rise up gently, supporting yourself with your hands. Tuck your back toes in. Inhale, lift your left foot high into three-leg dog. Exhale, return to down dog. Inhale, extend your left foot high into three-leg dog, reaching through your toes and lengthening the spine. Exhale, step left foot forward into low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge, arms reaching up, core engaged. Legs strong beneath you. Take one more inhale to lift and lengthen. Exhale, shift back into half split, strengthening your left leg, drawing your hips back, spine long and active. Inhale, sweep your left arm up, twist to the left, stacking your shoulders and expanding through your chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift your right arm up, twisting to the right to balance in the torso and shoulders aligned. Exhale, gently release. Inhale, come forward into crescent lunge. Exhale, shift back into half split with airplane arms, finding balance and length. Let's move through 3 more times. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, half split with airplane arms. Continue at your own rhythm, deepening the stretch with each round and exploring new layers of sensation. On your final half split, allowing your breath to get the body into new space. Shift forward, tuck your back toes in. Inhale, rise into wide star pose. Arms open, exhale, horse pose, hips sinking, thighs strong. Release the palms on your thighs. Inhale, center, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to your right. One more round to feel the twist and stretch on the side body. Inhale, rise into star. Exhale, rotate into reverse warrior. Left knee bent, left arm sweeping overhead, right arm resting lightly. Feel the stretch through the side body as you ground through your both feet and take a few steady breaths. One more inhale. Exhale, shift your weight into side lunge over your right heel, keeping your left leg long and active. Arms reaching wide, opening your chest and deepening the stretch in the inner thighs. Slowly lower your hips to the floor. Bring your right foot into your left inner thigh. Inhale, sit tall and extend your spine. Exhale, left side bend. Reach your right arm up and over towards your extended left leg, finding length along your right side body. Keep your chest open and your gaze soft. Breathe into the space you are creating. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, setting up for pigeon pose with your right leg forward. Square your hips and lengthen your back leg, allowing your front leg to settle comfortably. If you feel stable, explore the mermaid pose variation. Bend your left knee, reach back with your left arm, hook your elbow around your foot, and if possible, clasp your hands together. Hold for a few breaths, feeling strength and grace woven into your form. Release your foot and arms gently. Fold forward into sleeping pigeon, allowing the upper body to soften toward the earth. Rest your head, forearms, or palms down, whatever feels grounding. Breathe deeply. Inhale through the nose, expanding the ribs. Exhale, let the body melt, especially around your hips and shoulders. Stay here for several rounds of breaths, allowing a full release. Whenever you're ready, rise slowly, supporting yourself with your hands. Tuck your back toes in. Inhale, lift your right leg high into three-leg dog. Exhale, down dog. Breathe and integrate the practice. Release your knees and come into seated position. Extend both legs straight out in front of you. Take a moment to ground your sit bones and lengthen through the spine. Bend your left knee and cross your left foot over your right thigh, placing it outside of your right leg. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, twist to the left. Bring your right elbow outside of your left knee and your left fingertips behind you for support. Gaze can be forward or gently over your left shoulder. It feels good on your neck. With each inhale, lengthen the spine. With each exhale, gently deepen the twist through your core and mid-back. Then slowly release and switch to the other side whenever you're ready. Bend your right knee and cross your right foot over your left thigh, placing it outside of your left leg. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, twist to the right. Bring your left elbow outside of your right knee and your right fingertips behind you for support. Gaze can be forward or gently over your right shoulder if it feels good on your neck. With each inhale, lengthen the spine. With each exhale, deepen the twist through your mid-back. And when you are ready, gently release the twist and coming back to a neutral seated position. Extend both legs long in front of you, feel flexed. Inhale, sit tall, lengthen the spine. Exhale, gently hinge at hips, folding forward. Bring your chest toward your thighs. Let your hands rest on your legs, your feet, or a mat, wherever feels most comfortable. Feel the lengthening along your spine and a release through your hamstrings and lower back. With each exhale, relax deeper into the fold. Inhale, slowly rise up, stacking your spine one vertebra at a time. Exhale, lower yourself down onto your back, bringing each vertebra on the mat once at a time. Wrap your arms around your shins and curl into a ball pose. Gently rock left to right, massaging your lower back and feeling the release along your spine. Let the movement be soft and soothing. Inhale, squeeze everything into the body. Exhale, gently release and settle into Savasana. Let your legs fall open, arms resting by your side, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill the lungs. As you exhale, let your body sink deeper into the mat. Notice how your body feels right now. Every muscle has worked today, and now it's time to let it go. Take a moment to acknowledge yourself. You've shown up for your body, for your well-being. Let that gratitude wash over you. Know that this time, this space is for you to simply rest, to pause, to be present. Maybe there's tightness in your shoulders or a little strain in your hips. Whatever it is, breathe into it. And as you exhale, imagine that tension melting away. Now picture yourself letting go of anything that is being weighing on you today. Let it drift away with each breath, leaving you lighter, calmer, more at ease. You are grounded, you are here, and you are doing enough, knowing that this is exactly where you need to be. Let your breath guide you into a deeper sense of peace. Enjoying the stillness. Stay with me for the time being, breathing deeply and allowing your body to rest fully into this moment. When you are ready, gently rise up into a seated position. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, for taking this time to care for your body and mind. If you enjoy this practice, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who could use a little tension release today. Keep it flowing, and I will see you next time. Namaste.